Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So the US dollar CAD has had a very strong move to the upside. I still think there's a chance that this is an A, B, and it's eventually going to go down for a wave C. But if the US dollar index keeps trending up, then this possibly could keep pushing up also. Luckily, we should just be going with the flow on sort of time frame, so it really shouldn't be that big of a deal. Going down to the weekly time frame, very strong move to the upside as you can see. I still cannot not see this five-way pattern down, and the fact that this looks like one up, three down, and then one up. So I still think there's a very good likelihood that this could go up, maybe take out the highs, and then turn down for a big downtrend for this wave C of B that we've been waiting for. Anyways, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very strong move to the upside. We are back into this order block zone that I have marked out, so maybe this is going to be where the market turns. I don't think I would try to go assuming that it's going to turn, because what could happen is it could just keep on going up. So I will definitely continue to go with the flow until the market says otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we got a new swing high right here now, which means that if price goes down and breaks this, I think it pretty much would prove that the whole move up is over, which is great news for us, because that means we can start looking for shorts, and then we can hopefully learn and earn whether this is really just going to turn into a downtrend or whether it's going to be a crutch into the whole move up. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. The trend is definitely still up, and I think we definitely still need to be looking for longs. I actually think this might even be another end of a crescent right here. It definitely looks like a possible 1, 2, 3. So possibly more like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, 1, 2, 3 up like an expanding flat, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. This could easily be another ABC crescent, and it could just keep on going up, making new highs. It's been a very strong uptrend, and I don't really think we want to try to fight this trend. Now, I do have my Fibonacci retracement out here, because if this move up is a crescent to this move down, which is definitely possible, then it would most likely have to bounce off a Fibonacci level, make a nice engulfing move down like that. And if that happens, yeah, I mean, I personally would still wait for the break of structure, but if that does happen, I mean, as a short time frame trader, you probably could try to go short. But with the fact this is such a strong trend, I don't think I would try to go short. And like I said, I think it's probably more likely it's just going to keep on going up. So definitely still looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.